Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2018 Honda Ridgeline. This four-door, five-passenger truck has not yet reached the 50,000-mile mark. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. The following features are included: a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, heated seats, lane departure warning, a trailer hitch, a bedliner, and a split-folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Honda's comprehensive certification process, including an exhaustive 150-point inspection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.